Welcome back to our channel, fellow seekers of natural remedies and ancient wisdom. Herbal Guru loves to teach you. Today, we have a captivating topic to delve into, the golden wonder known as turmeric. Join me as we unlock the secrets behind this vibrant spice, its herbal properties, historical significance, and incredible health benefits. Let's look at its enchanting origins. Turmeric, scientifically known as curcuma longa, has a rich history that spans thousands of years. Its journey begins in the ancient lands of India, where it was revered as a sacred herb. Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, hailed turmeric as a powerful healer and an essential part of daily life. The golden healer, turmeric owes its dazzling yellow color to a chemical compound called curcumin. This compound possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In Ayurveda, turmeric is known as a rasayana, or rejuvenating herb, that helps maintain overall well-being. Boosting health and vitality, the benefits of turmeric extend far and wide. Let's explore its medicinal uses and how it can positively impact our health. Firstly, turmeric supports a healthy immune system, helping our bodies fight against various infections and diseases. A joint endeavor, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable ally for those seeking relief from joint pain and inflammation. Many people with conditions like arthritis turn to turmeric as a natural alternative to alleviate discomfort and improve mobility. A treasure for the skin, turmeric's skin-loving properties are well known. It has been used for centuries to enhance the complexion, reduce acne and blemishes, and provide a natural glow. Turmeric's antioxidants also help protect the skin from damage caused by environmental factors. A healthy heartbeat, research suggests that turmeric can support cardiovascular health. Its anti-inflammatory effects may help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall heart function. Adding a dash of turmeric to your daily routine could be a heart-healthy choice. A culinary adventure, apart from its medicinal properties, turmeric adds a burst of flavor and vibrancy to culinary creations. From curry dishes to smoothies, teas, and even golden milk, turmeric offers a delicious and nutritious twist to our favorite recipes. Unveiling the golden elixir, for centuries, turmeric has been used to make healing teas and tonics. Let's not forget the famous golden milk, a creamy and soothing blend of turmeric, milk, and other warm spices. These elixirs not only provide comfort but also help harness the power of turmeric for our well-being. The magnificent journey of turmeric, a spice that has captivated civilizations for centuries. From Ayurvedic traditions to its vibrant presence in modern-day remedies, turmeric continues to amaze with its wide-ranging health benefits and diverse uses. So, embrace the golden wonder and let turmeric's healing touch enrich your life. Turmeric, and especially its most active compound, curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits, such as the potential to improve heart health and prevent against Alzheimer's and cancer. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Our experts continually monitor the health and wellness space, and we will update you when new information becomes available. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the incredible world of turmeric. Remember, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new herbal remedies into your routine. Stay curious, stay vibrant, and until next time, keep seeking the secrets of nature's bounty. If you found this exploration of turmeric fascinating and informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences with turmeric. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future journeys into the world of natural remedies and ancient wisdom. Remember, your support helps us continue bringing you valuable content like this. So, like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of our growing community. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.